All right, so I'm here with my son Jordan.
Hello.
I figured it'd be more fun to have him open this than me. We got this Wizarding World of Harry Potter package from Universal Orlando Resort, so I'm going to have him open it and kind of go through what's inside. All right, Mr. J, go ahead and open it. What's it say?
It's all right now, like paper right now.
It's all paper?
Yeah.
Here, let me see it.
Okay.
It says Universal Orlando Resort relaunches popular The Wizarding World of Harry Potter Vacation Package with all new enhancements. Okay, we got all this on. We got all this information already up on the website. So as soon as I post this video, I'll link it to the article. But yeah, Universal relaunched The Wizarding World of Harry Potter Vacation Packages, which I believe this is part of it. So you actually get this in the mail before your vacation starts. So why don't you go ahead, Jordan, and that's really neat looking. It's got, well, my name there. And then go ahead, Jordan, put it down and see what the top part is. Oh, that's cool. It shows you all about the Wizarding World. Here, turn around so I can see it. Oh, that's cool. What does it say? It says, from the towering spires of Hogwarts Castle to the fire-breathing dragons of Gringotts Bank, you're about to step into the excitement of some of Harry Potter's greatest adventures. Does it open up more? Is there more pages? Here, let me see the book. Keep flipping through it. See what else it says. Oh, what does it talk about? Okay, it talks about breakfast at the Leaky Cauldron, breakfast at the Three Broomsticks. This is everything that the Wizarding World of Harry Potter Vacation Package includes. You get the Keepsake box, which is this. And then you get breakfast at the Leaky Cauldron, breakfast at Three Broomsticks. Your theme park tickets are included. And then what's really cool is you get early park admission. So, all right, keep going, Jordan. Oh, and then it talks about the Shutter Buttons photography studio session. That's really cool. That's also included. All right, keep going, bud.
And here is the castle.
And there's Hogwarts Castle, Hogsmeade. Really cool picture. All right.
Great view.
Yeah, it is a great view. What else?
We got the Golden Snitch and the monster book.
Oh, okay. It tells you all about the Honeydukes and Three Broomsticks and the Hog's Head. And then it's talking about the rides. Of course, we got Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey.
Now, we got a new attraction that just opened up.
Keep going. I'm sure they're going to talk about it. Let's see what else there is.
We also got a lot of stuff. The brooms and train.
The Flight of the Hippogriff, Hogwarts Express. All the fun and awesome stuff you can do inside the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Really cool. All right, keep going, bud.
Now they have the dragon.
Oh, now we're in Diagon Alley. Really cool. I like that picture. That's really neat. All right, keep going.
Now we're inside it.
Oh, yeah. Borgin and Burke's. And, of course, Harry Potter and the Escape from Gringotts. And you got the Ollivander's Wand experience.
Escape from Gringotts is really cool.
I know, you've been on it. It's a fun ride, isn't it?
Yep. Like, you don't know what's going next. There's a launch, 2 launches maybe, and also it turns and it makes you facing go down.
I know, it's such a fun ride. All right, keep going.
Oh, we also have the wand stuff.
Oh, okay, it's got Leaky Cauldron, Weasley's, all the really cool shops you can experience inside Diagon Alley.
And also you can use your wands to activate them.
Yep, you can use your wands. That's right. You can use your wand at different areas throughout both Hogsmeade and Diagon Alley. All right, keep going, bud.
I'm pretty sure that's the last
That
page.
It?
Yep.
Really cool. That's a nice little brochure. It's like pretty good quality. That's really nice. Cool. All right, let's put that down. So, what else we got?
Looks like we got some keychains.
Oh, you know what those are? Like I said, this is for the Wizarding World of Harry Potter vacation packages.
Oh my gosh,
so
and look at this.
It's a luggage tag. So when people go on their vacations, they get really adorable
little like
Harry Potter, and who else is in there?
we got.
Oh, there's Ron.
And we got
These
Hermione.
are adorable.
Hermione.
Yep, and there's Hermione. Oh, why don't you open it up so you can see, so people can see the luggage tag part. There you go. And there you go. So people can put they'll have cool Harry Potter themed luggage tags when they begin their vacation. That's really cool.
Now we got like all these tags.
Oh, and then they give you, let me see one. Okay, the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, and the lanyards feature Hogwarts Railways, Hogwarts Express. And Jordan is modeling one for us. It says Wizarding World of Harry Potter on the clear little case that you can put your tickets in or whatever.
We also got all of got Slytherin, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, and Gryffindor right there.
Yeah, that's really cool. So you get all those really cool lanyards for your vacation. There's what, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, of course, like I said, you get this really cool box. And it's got your name on it. And it's a really nice box. It says a spellbinding journey through 2 magical lands. And then you open it up and it's got your name.
Mm-hmm. It's like a ticket to...
And it's got it's really cool. So sweet. Yeah, and there's the Harry Potter luggage tag. Excuse me, luggage tag.
It's actually really cool.
You got Ron with his freckles and everything.
We got Harry Potter.
And there's Potter.
And Hermione.
And Hermione. Here, let me hold up Ron. There we go. You see all 3 of them? That's adorable. Those are adorable. So you get your luggage tags.
I like how they have like the backs of their hair and you get to like open them. That's cool.
Yeah, that's really cool. So yeah, this is all part of the Wizarding World of Harry Potter vacation packages, which are now available. I'm gonna upload this to YouTube, so I'll actually have the link to our article that it talks about and more. And also, you can also book this through ThrillGeek Travel. If you want to go to thrillgeek.com/travel, you can even book it through there through our partners at MEI Travel. So really neat. Thanks, Universal. We appreciate it.
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Bye-bye.
Bye.